Hey there, looking for a way to install Trollstore on your latest iOS device? Well, then you have come to the right place. Today I will show you how to install the latest Trollstore on iOS. Open Feather, you will need a paid certificate for it. Head to Wuxu's library. Hit install. Now sign and install the app. As you guys can see, it is installing. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. This is a fun prank to do. Unsupported.